Hi children, good morning. I hope that you have written the answers for the worksheets for both A and the indefinite articles and the definite article. Okay, and I also trust that you have understood the topic. Okay, now we come here, our poem, It's Change. Okay, what is a poem, children? It's Change. And it was written by Emma Gary. Her birthplace was Scotland. Okay. So generally we cannot find the poems written within the context of science. Okay, children. Very rare we see the poems within the context of science. Why? Because so many poets think poorly of scientists because they claim that the scientists take the beauty and miracles out of nature by investigating it. Okay, children. So, generally, the poets like nature and they enjoy the beauty of nature. But when we come to the scientists, they enjoy the work to do something experiments, miracles out of that, right? So this point of view, generally the poets never like, but the scientist says that the more they investigate it, the more beauty and miracles we see. Okay, children. So because of scientists only we have so many changes in our daily life in agriculture field, in scientific, what we can say, medical grounds, on the medical grounds, and in education field. So we have lot of changes, right? So the scientists trust and they say that the more beauty and miracles we can see because of them. Okay, children, but here one poem within the context of science. Okay, so who knows some science minded people to look at the poetry and enjoy? Okay, let's see how many students are there with the science minded, with the science mind. Okay, see here, children, our poem is It's Change. See here, the speaker speaking here with his or her mother. See here. Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are the part of the plot. I am the only one who sees through the rot. Once again, children, Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. So here the speaker went to her mother and saying that the world is in decay. Decay means almost going to destroy. So that the speaker is worrying about that. So we see how I feel my teachers are part of the plot. Okay, see here. Plot means a plan made in secret by a group of people to do something illegal or harmful or wrong. Okay, so here is a plan by a group of people. Here, who are the group of people here? The teachers. Okay, so the child thinks that the teachers only making a secret plan to do something harmful. Okay, and who sees through the rot? Through the rot means nothing but cause to decay by the action of bacteria or fungus. That means something decompose. Okay, so here the child feels that Here the teachers are the part of the plot to destroy the world. We see how scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change, a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's change, the way the way to go. See here, the scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. What is cloning, children? Do you know cloning? I think you know well. Cloning is nothing but making an identical copy of any biological matter. Any biological matter. Not only sheep and pigs, any animal. Okay, so getting the stems or cells from other animals, gathering and creating a new animal, but it just looks like an identical copy. Okay, children. So that is a part. I share the video of cloning, children. You just go through that one. You can understand better. Okay. So they are saying there is a quantum leap. Quantum leap means, what is a quantum leap? A sudden large increase, a sudden large change. So they are saying that is a development, that is an improvement. Okay. So there is a great work in the science. So they are saying, but is it right, children? That is the thing we have to think. Okay, and next, come to the biology. So the biologist, what he is doing? Making stem cells grow. So a biologist is making stem cells grow. So biologists, what they do? They research and study in humans, plants, animals, and the environment. Okay, and the environment in which they live. Okay, and they also research environmental system at their cellular level or the ecosystem level. With this help, we can understand the living world and the ways its many species, including humans, we do. Okay, humans functions, evolve and interact. They have brought improvements in the quality of life in science, agriculture, biotechnology. So, in this way, in all these fields, they brought a great change. They are saying that it is the quantum leap, it is a great development. Okay, or it is a great achievement, they are saying. Okay, that's they are saying that part. And next, come here. Now, the geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying its change, predicting its birth. Okay, geologists are finding cracks in our earth. So, who is geologist? Geologists are the geology. Now, the person who studies the geology. So, what is the geology? That is the study of the materials of the earth and the wild process upon it. Okay, children, geology is the study of the materials of the earth and the wild process upon it. Okay, so the geologists study on this geology. Okay, their wider understanding of the earth and its process is also important for us. Okay, because the geologists are experts on mudslides and other ground based natural disasters, so we can find out what caused them, earthquakes or the volcanoes. Likewise, we can get lot of information. So they are saying that what is that? Geologists, they find the cracks and they started predicting its birth. So depends on the stones, whatever they find in the cracks. Okay, and they say that this may be happened. So they predict means say or estimate that will happen in the future or maybe in the past also. See that our scientists are predicting that the human was from monkey. Slowly they were developed and now they became a human beings. When we go back, so our humans, the early man is different from us. So they predict. Okay, actually they did not see him. They did not see anything, but they predict. They give the information. How? Because of digging all the uh, digging the earth and finding something from them. Okay, they say that. And next, come here the next part. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change time for clones. Okay, so what is an archaeologist? It is a job to study on human history and prehistory by digging up the fossils and bones. So what are the fossils, children? Fossils are nothing but that the remains are the scrap, impression of trace of animal or a plant of the past geological age that has been preserved in the earth crust is called fossil, children. Example, dinosaur, right? We did not see till now dinosaur, but because of fossils only they find out what animal is there. They set all the bones in order and they said that that is one of the largest animal. Yes or no? Right. So the data from the fossils are the primary source of the information about the history of life on the earth. Okay, children. So the dig means what? Nothing but break up the earth and move the earth with tools or something, right? So that is a verb form. The archaeologists are digging up the fossils and bones, whatever they find. Okay, they work on that, doing experiments and finding out the truths. They do. And time for clones. Clones means already I told you that nothing but making an identical copy of anything, any kind of biological material. And the last one is the scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Okay, so here the child is worrying that the scientists are causing me great concern. Okay, and giving us kids too much to learn. So the child is feeling not burdened, she was just confused. So one is saying that there is a development, we need to clone, is a quantum leap, right? So by saying all these things, the child is thinking a lot, struggling. Okay, children, so that the child just express her or his views to the mother. See, children, in the second two lines, I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I'm fine. I'm the only one who sees through the rot. So we come to the first one here. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. See, children, we are saying we need development, improvement. Okay, so with this name or aim, what we are doing, we are destructing our natural world. Yes or no, children? If you want to establish any company, we have to wipe out so many forests, so many hill areas, right? Which are really the God's gift. We are just destructing. Yes or no? Okay, and we are saying that is only development. Okay, but now if there were no plants, what will happen? What is our future? Yes or no, children? So they are doing something what we harm also. So one side the teachers are saying that we need to plant more, we need to do something and to protect our nature, global warming and all that. At the same time, only because of teachers or lecturers or whatever it may be. So they like to create something in a scientific field, right? So that we are destructing our nature also. So that the child is feeling that the teachers are part of the plot. Why these are the things taught you mean? You have to think, children, because of you are the future. You are the future for the world, no doubt, right? So you can make a very good decisions. Definitely you can create lot of wonders. So when you are targeting or when you are aiming high, so you have to think that, so if we should not destroy the world, right? At the same time we have to develop. Okay, these are the things also I want to share. And whatever you are thinking, you just find out, children, how far it's good to earth and all that. Okay, this is the poem about its change. Okay, children, once again read the poem. Okay, and check the answers. I am sending the worksheet answers of the children. Bye.